key, and the next point, upload your photo from your gallery. So if you want to upload your photo on portfolio page, then you can click here, double click and upload from here, and then you can put your an image from your gallery, and you can make it big or small. Like this, you can keep the image any place of the page. Also you can delete and replace this image from here, upload. So I'm deleting the image. So like this you can add and change your any image from your any page. If you want to change this image, then you can replace image and upload like this. So I'm doing Ctrl Z and back the image. So you can add your upcoming image to your portfolio page like this, upload. Also you will get the option from here, insert section and image, and upload here. So next point, so structure the YouTube link. As I already explained this, I have you can understand that, and set up gallery on portfolio page for picture to come. Yeah, you can add your upcoming image from here like this. So also you can delete the image. So I have you can understand the full step, and after any change you need to publish the website, then the change will be live to your website.